I almost gave up in the wilderness, not because I didn't believe God, but because I didn't believe He still believed in me. But the wilderness isn't where you die, it's where you deliver. You deliver what you've been carrying. See, what you birth in the wilderness has weight. We often think that the wilderness is punishment, but it's preparation. It's where your assignment matures, where your anointing deepens, where you learn to depend fully on God. See, here's what I learned in my wilderness season. Money dried up, but provision still came. Clients paused, but purpose kept moving. Relationships ended, but identity became clearer. I stopped performing and I started surrendering. I journaled, I prayed, yeah, I cried, but I kept building. God taught me to create wealth strategies that didn't rely on external applause. He reminded me, if I called you to it, I'll carry you through it. See, in Galatians 6 and 9, it says, let us not grow weary in doing good. For at the proper time, we will reap a harvest if we do not give up. Ooh, Lisa Nichols has an amazing quote. She says that winners never quit and quitters never win. See, here's some lessons from the trauma informed girl. The trauma informed girl almost quit in the dark. She thought the silence meant abandonment. But God was developing me in the wilderness, not punishing me, preparing me. Some of my best ideas were birthed in financial famine. Some of my boldest offers came through brokenness. Some of my strongest prayers came when I had nothing left but faith. The wilderness taught me how to war with worship. Our spiritual reflection for today, it comes from Isaiah 43 and 19. See, I'm doing a new thing. Now it springs up. Do not perceive it. I am making a way in the wilderness. You don't have to see the full way. You just have to walk the next step. God doesn't abort people in the process. He reveals power in hidden places. Our call to action for today. Today, ask yourself, what is God trying to birth through me in this wilderness? Have I mistaken this dry season for denial? If you're ready to keep building through the silence, through the tears, through the unknown, join the Kingdom Vault under education. You're not alone, and this labor is not. I leave you with these words of encouragement today. You are not behind schedule. You are on assignment. God sees your sacrifice, and the harvest is coming. In our closing affirmation, I want you to say this aloud. I will carry this vision to term. Wilderness does not mean I'm forgotten. What God conceived in me, He will complete through me. I'm birthing wealth in due season. We are recovering one breath at a time. Give yourself grace and stay fearless. Bye for now.